Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding self esteem. Self esteem is made up primarily of two things: feeling lovable and feeling capable. So stop comparing the way you feel on the inside to the way others appear on the outside. You know, there's a reason why self love, self respect, and self worth all start with self. It's because you can't find them in anyone else. You, just as much as anyone in the universe, deserve your love and respect. So be true to yourself, as you were born to be unique, not to be perfect. Remember, to be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is your greatest accomplishment. By the way, your self esteem is often in proportion to your esteemable acts. So do good, feel good, enjoy the day.